coming. Where is your boyfriend? You are sitting at home, lonely.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase.
Hi guys, it's your favorite girl coming, and welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you for clicking on this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and yeah, join the family. Yeah baby. So guys, you know that Valentine is around the corner, and I know so many of you are feeling this Valentine, so many of you are not feeling this Valentine. This this video is for the ladies. I'm here to tell you how to have a wonderful Valentine. So the song I sang earlier will not be your portion. If you don't want anybody to sing that song to you, because me, I'll sing it to you. But I think this period, this Valentine, I relate. I'm relating with you guys. So this is also helping me, and yeah, helping you guys. This video is cruise, like it's a big cruise. Just have fun, and like you may get like ideas or so from this video, but these are things that you can do as a single lady, like to have fun on Valentine's Day. So that is what this video is about. So let me tell you, I have like simple short funny ideas, but this video, please don't click on it and take it too personal, because I'm having fun here and I'm trying to like make you guys have fun and, you know, like to vibe and all that. Like, so firstly, if you're a single lady, this Valentine, if you're the type that you love like you want this romantic thingy, you want a guy to sweep you off your feet, you want you are living the fairy tale life, or you want to live the fairy tale life, please, my advice to you is to avoid social media on Valentine's Day. Avoid social media. Just turn off your phone and stay in your house, or turn off your phone and go out. Just whatever you're doing, turn off your phone. If not, they'll oppress you. In fact, stay at home, be indoors, don't leave your house, because even outside oppression will take place. So stay at home, because even me, I will oppress you. I don't know how, but I will oppress you. All right, let's be serious. Not serious, but let's be serious. They have a female vibe, like your best friend, your girlfriend, and all of that. Yeah, have a female vow, and then you guys should do something nice for each other. Yeah, it's girls, not, I should stop saying single girls. Girls, you can do it. Surprise yourself on Valentine's Day. Surprise yourself. You can order yourself what they call this thing, cake, the money cake. That cake, that's money thing, that's like a cake, I've forgotten how they call it. And then food tray, just, you know, vibe, do your thing. In fact, even pretend that was somebody that got it for you. Leave the cruise. Since everybody wants to oppress you, do fake oppression now. Abi, oppress other people with fake life. Yes, do anything for the cruise. That's what you can do. One of the things you can do to have fun this Valentine, if you're the type that wants it to. But if you don't want it, I mean, surprise yourself. Like, do something nice for yourself. Like, go out, do it. Like, you get it. Moving on. Another thing girls can do on Valentine's Day is like have a girls' night out, girls' dates. Go out with your friends, watch movies, go for a spa date. Just do your own thing with your girls, or on your own self. You can even do something like girly, something you like, something you want to do. Take yourself out, go to the spa. You can go to a restaurant and eat alone self. Or if you're a type that love reading, read a book. Take yourself out and read a book, or go and have coffee with your friends. Like, just go out or go out alone. There are so many things you can do, like to have fun, to like pass time. I mean, now school is not on, so I mean the oppression is going to happen, whether I like it or not, it will happen. So make yourself happy. So this particular thing I want to say is another cruise. It is another cruise, but I'll say it on Valentine's Day. If you're alone, ruin somebody's relationship. I mean, don't take me seriously, but take me seriously. Ruin somebody's relationship. I'm not saying you should go and just put pepper. All the guys that are your DM there and they are messaging you, telling you how far, what's up, and you low-key know that these ones, they are, post your chat with them, like call them out one by one, expose them, like real relationships, shake table, shake it. Please, I beg, don't come for me. I'm catching cruise in this video. Oh God, don't come for me. But I'm just saying, you guys get it now. Please don't take it personal. Now, don't ruin anybody's relationship. Please just pack yourself and go and have your fun and stay in your house, please. So another thing you can do is party loud. I mean, if you're a party animal, I'm sure on Valentine's Day I'm sure on Valentine's Day you have like so many parties like to like go to. I'm very sure. I'm very, very sure. Go and have fun. You don't even have to like be a party animal. I mean, if you want to go out and like clear your head, go and party. Go and party, go and live that life, go and enjoy yourself, go and flex. You can go with your girls, you can go with girls and guys. Just go and have fun, please. Party, go all in, go all out, go all everything and party. Like, you get it? Just go and have fun, dance. See? And lastly, what you can do is have a movie night. You can go to a cinema, watch a movie, or stay at home and watch a movie. You can watch the movie alone at home. Yes, you can buy your popcorn or make your popcorn, rather, lay in your bed and watch your movie. Have your own movie time, your own you time. The movies that YouTube life is not easy. It is not easy. After recording this video, I finished saying everything, and then it stopped recording just like that. I'm vexed. What was I saying the last time the video ended? I was saying, if movies you've been hearing about, you should just go and watch them. Keep yourself entertained. Be happy. That's what I was saying. Guys, it's actually very sad to go over this point again. Like, my vibe has gone down, but anything for you guys, don't worry. Last one, guys, what you can do if you're bored: stay at home. This one you have to do it. Stay at home, lay in bed, get your phone or your laptop or your iPad, whatever you're easy, like watch movies or anything. Go to It's Coming. Oh, wait, watching this video, I'll put a link here somewhere. It's like something, you get it? Go, just click on it. Sit down. If you're bored, sit down, watch all the videos there. See, I know some of these videos are boring, but anyway, don't like, just skip to the next one. You must watch it. Sorry, it's not a must, but just watch it if you're bored. If you don't have anything to do about it, just watch it to keep you company, guys. I am legit pissed that what happened, like, after recording my video. Guys, YouTube is a lot, that's all I would say. But in essence, this video is just trying to tell you that you should have fun, be happy, do whatever makes you happy on that day. You shouldn't be like, oh, I don't have a man to make me happy, I don't have this, I don't have. No, this video is like, I know I was joking a lot in this video, but I mean, there are some things I said that you can like pick and actually do and have fun. I mean, come, if you know me, come to my room. We'll just chill, watch a movie, chill, laugh, and then do something, karaoke night, like anything to like chill, to vibe. But please let everybody be happy this period. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, please, and please don't forget to turn on your post notification to be notified on my next video. And I love you. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.